Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to part 2 of Solid Commerce to Volusion's upload. On the last video, we moved all of the images from this side to this side. Remember, right is server, left is computer. Now we are going to upload them back up to our Volusions. So in this top left-hand corner, we're going to click and go to new site, or it will say Shoetime on y'all's computer. It will connect. We're going to have to click on VSP files, double click on it, double click on photos. It sometimes takes it a minute to upload or to open up the photos file. Remember, we have uploaded to Solid Commerce, which pushed everything to Volusions. On the first video, we did everything on the 16th. On this video, we're working with the E1023 SKUs. But I will show you, if we do a search and we do E1023, you should be able to see everything that we just uploaded. Notice there's no pictures. That is because we are uploading them right now. Also, notice there are no categories because that is what we're uploading right now. It's still trying to open the photos directory. Here in a minute, we're going to figure out how to take these categories and get them right here in these areas without having to do them one by one. If this thing will open up, we'll be good to go. Come on, photos. Big money, no win. Oh, there we go. Okay, now you see the photos directory has opened. It's going to have all of our images in here. We want to upload everything that we just did. So we're going to scroll all the way down, hit shift, and click the very bottom one. It's going to select them all. We're going to move everything that has a 1023 SKU on it. We're going to hold down, click, and we're just going to drag it over here in the corner somewhere. Notice it says queued files, 748. Now they are starting to upload. Right now, I will pause the video, give it time for these to upload, and then we will go on to the next part of the video, the import and export from Volusion. Notice there is 20 files left down here to upload. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. That means everything is now uploaded to Volusions. Once we upload the images, we don't always have to do this, but I'm going to show you a little trick. Sometimes it takes a minute. You've got to refresh the cache and all the images. So if you go to Shoetime Online to your admin panel, go to Settings, Maintenance. It's going to give you some errors on stuff that have errors. You will need to go down and rebuild the search index. It's probably going to give you a little pop-up or something that says it's done. Your storefront is now up to date. I also like to refresh, not that one, reset the photo cache, and it photo cache cleared. Okay, that will ensure that my images should now be over to their correct products. We're going to go to Inventory and Products and just make sure they're there. Remember, we're working with E1023, and we're going to hit Search. There they are. There's my images. They're all uploaded properly. So we should be good to go. This is where it gets tricky. Now we're going to need to add the categories in and to change all that to free shipping and add a sale price to it. Starting this, we are going to go to Inventory, Import, and Export. We're going to do a standard export. Okay. We're going to export from Products. Okay. We always select Product Code. We are going to select Free Shipping Item. We are going to select Sale Price. Okay. We're going to select List Price. We're going to select Category IDs and Photo URL. The file format is going to be CSV, comma delimited text file, and we're going to hit Export. It's going to take it a minute to process because it is pulling every single item that we have on Volusion. Da 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 da. There we go. Over on your right, we hit Download and we hit Open with Microsoft Excel. So it's going to open it up. At first, I like to widen everything out so we can see what it is. Okay. Now, we are working with 1023, so we're going to delete everything before E1023. Just scroll down. Now, if you got your cursor on the first one, you can hit Shift and click on that one, and it's going to select them all. Then we just hit right-click, delete. Now we have 1023. Notice on 1023 there's no sale price and no category IDs. Okay. We're going to delete everything after 1023. Delete. Okay. So now we're working with 1023. The first thing we want to do is we have to save this as an Excel file. We have to do this because we cannot do formulas in CSV format. So we're going to hit File, Save As, click your computer wherever you want to save it as. We'll get that all set up on the new upload computer. I save mine in a file exchange, and I call it Sale Price, Categories, and then I call it the date. Not the date of the SKU, but the date that it actually is. File type, we want to save it as Excel Workbook, and we want to hit Save. Okay, so now we've got this right where we need it. Okay, first thing we want to do, since we got it saved, we want to minimize it. You can exit out of FileZilla now because we're done with that. We want to leave this one open because this is our original export. Okay. I have a template set up called Volusion Image Upload to Solid Commerce. We want to open that up. Okay. It's blank. This is where we go back to the one we just downloaded and we want to copy every SKU. Control C for copy and go back to the image uploader and paste it. Okay. Now we would like to copy the image URLs. We want to select them all and we want to copy and we want to paste it 3 times in each one. An image file, alternate image file, and alternate image file 2. We do this because when we upload to eBay, we want these images to be on Solid Commerce. the warehouse name, we have to put downtown building, all lowercase. We're going to copy that all the way down. Okay. Now, I usually ignore everything that says no photo. I leave it. There's usually only one or two in a set, and we'll worry about that later. About every month, I like to go through, see what doesn't have a photo, pull them, and take a picture of it. But right now, we're just worried about this. Okay, we're going to click on D up here, and it's going to select them all. We're going to hit Control F. Okay, we're going to click Replace, and we want to type -1.jpg. And then we want to replace with -2.jpg. And we'll hit Replace All. Okay, now we can leave this open and we hit E. And then we want to leave it, find what is -1, the same, and then we'll replace the 2 with a 3. And Replace All. We want to do the same thing with Alternate Image File 2. We just want to click up here on F on the column and do that with -4.jpg. Replace all. Now that we've done this, we want to upload this part to our Solid Commerce because all these products have already been uploaded. They just don't have any images on Solid Commerce. This helps us when we upload to eBay so we don't have to hunt down anything. We want to ignore products not found in list. We want to upload product and upload inventory and hit confirm. It's going to say product custom SKU will be used as warehouse ID. We just click OK. Now it is going through the list and uploading these images to Solid Commerce. It is almost done. Upload complete. Just hit OK. Now, that's done. You can exit it. You don't have to save it. You don't have to do anything because we're just going to use that template every time we upload. I just hit don't save. Okay, now that we have this open, we're done with column F. We don't need photo URLs anymore. We can just click on F and click delete. Okay, now, starting with free shipping item, we want to replace the N with a Y. We just copy that and we go down. I always hit shift and just control V and it pastes it all. So now when we upload, we'll have a free shipping item. Sale price. Sometimes it's best if we just click on D and right click and hit format sales and make sure it is general. It's already general, so that means it will accept a formula. If we hit equal, hold down shift and click the sale price, which is C2. Hold down shift and hit 8, which is the multiplication symbol, and then times it by 0.45. That is going to put all of these at 55% off. And we hit enter. Okay, it does the formula for us. We want to hit Control C for copy, scroll all the way down, and Control V for paste. And it's going to fix all the formula for us. Okay? This part is done. Category IDs is where it gets tricky. I don't mess with the category IDs in this spreadsheet because sometimes they get off a number. So if you hit File, New, Blank Workbook, it's best if we just we copy the product code. Okay. And then we copy, or we can actually cut category IDs, which is Control X or right click cut. And we have this right here. So sale price categories were good. I'm just going to take this spreadsheet and save it, and we're going to save it as, this time we're going to have to save it as a CSV file because we have to upload in CSV. So we want to hit CSV, comma delimited. I just leave it the same name. It's going to give me a bunch of, are you sure you want to save it like this? We're going to hit yes, save. Yes, we want to keep using that format. Now we are just going to exit. Yes, yes. Okay, now we've still got this screen open, but right now we're going to go back to Volusions and do a standard import. Inventory, import, export. We're going to import to products just like we exported from. We're going to browse and find sell price categories, comma, separated values file, which is this one, the one we just saved. We're going to hit open, and we're going to yes, replace any existing data. Okay, now all of the free shipping and the sell prices have been added to the products. Now we need to do the category IDs, which is why we have them right here. What I like to do is open up the original book, the original export, just copy all of the products. Okay, and then copy all of the category IDs. I always remove anything that does not have category IDs in it, just because if they weren't in there, they may not upload properly. So now everything's got a category ID. This one has to be a CSV as well. We want to file, save as. I'm just going to save it on top of the one I just did. We want to make sure we do a comma to the limited. We can save it as whatever you want to save it as. We can say 10, 27, 15 categories. Just whatever. Yes, we want to keep using that format. We want to exit. Make sure we save changes. Yes. Okay. Now we have to do another import. Inventory, import, export. Standard import. Import to products. Browse. We want 10, 27, 15 categories, which is what we just did. Yes, replace any existing data and import. Okay. Now we have all the category IDs uploaded. So when we go to search for these products, we should have categories there. They should say free shipping. They should have pictures, and they should have a sell price. We're going to search for E1023, which is what we're working on. Search. There we go. They say free shipping, yes. They have the categories. And if we click into the product, we can see, hit view live, and we can see the sell price. I don't know why it says our price twice. We will work on that. So right now, we have gone over categories and uploading and doing imports and exports. It is very meticulous, but take it slow, and it's very easy.